This is us documenting our travel before having a baby. Today, we're going to Albay, Bicol, where the perfect cone meets the warm heart. This is my second time here in Albay, and nung first time namin last 2017, mahiyain si Mayon. Kaya ito naging rason ko para bumalik. Kasama namin si Ginger the Chow Chow, ang aming anak, and we stayed in Proxy by the Oriental. Pet-friendly ang hotel na to with majestic Mayon view. We'll just stay here for 2 days, as in weekend lang talaga dahil required kami mag-work on-site next week. No tulog is real. The next day, we went on an ATV ride to Black Lava. Actually, itong pinaka-extreme na ATV ride na na-try ko dahil ang lalaki ng bato. Hindi pa namin na-videohan lahat pero nakakasakit siya ng katawan. So don't forget to bring meds or a lot budget for body massage after. Ito naman yung lava during 2006 eruption. May super minor hike going to helipad, and kapag hindi ka naman sanay, may zipline naman going back for 350 pesos. After ATV, we went to Cagsawa Ruins and kumain kami nitong sili ice cream. Tolerable siya nung una pero nung nakalahati hindi ko na-carry. Pero must try pa rin when it's your first time. Alam niyo ba yung I Love Lizzie film na love story nung pare? Ayun, dito sila nag-shooting sa farm plate, and that made us visit the smallest chapel in the Philippines. At ito yun. Gusto ko dito is pet-friendly sila and Instagrammable ang place. Nabilib din ako sa baka nila kasi first time kong makakita ng ganyang pattern. Pero mukhang hindi siya natuwa sa akin. Anyway, umuwi na kami after and we got a massage sa hotel. Hindi ko na na-videohan pero must try din itong massage sa The Oriental. Third day flight na namin pabalik ng Manila at 1 p.m. So nag-pull muna kami ng very quick in the morning and we prepared na going back to Manila. Total expenses namin for this quick weekend trip is 14,060 pesos. Mount Mayon is so stunning. Hindi pa super crowded, so it's best time to visit the province. Follow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!